It's your girl Junicel, ang pobreng hilason nga nakaabot sa Amerika tungod sa pagka-ambisyosa. Charot! Pero guys, for this video, I will be making the house tour. Since everyone is requesting it, especially my closest friends and my family. And yeah, we made that already before, a house tour, but I was not fully furnished yet. Pero pwede, magbisaya na lang ko kay Kapoy kaayo, no? So, tong last na mga video sa house tour is not fully furnished yet. So, karon, it's like fully furnished and everything. Though it's not really complete yet, but most of our things that we need is already here. And yeah, I will, mag-warn sa ako nga this video is not for the people, nga mga inggitira, nga mga suyaon. Kung di ka ganahan mo tanaw sa akong video, just scroll up. Okay? Kaya para dili na masuya. Charot. Kaya daghan naman kayo may ingon dahil nga, oh, hilason ka na siya. I don't care because I'm ambisyosa. That's why I'm here, tungkol sa pag-ambisyosa. So, for this video, I will be having my son with me. You see, hi? Hi! Yeah. And our dada went to his work already because he is working a night shift today. And without further ado, let's go start our house tour. Alright guys, start from the outside to the inside. Let's go. So guys, mauni ang sagawa sa among balay, and this is our neighborhood here. See, it's 7 PM here already. Basig nagwonder mo nga ang 7 PM diri hayag pa. Well, here in United States, ilahang adlaw mo sa mga around 8:30 to 9. So yeah, mauni ang sagawa sa among balay. And ato ni tuyo kun. Come here, love. Let's go bring your car. Come here. And mauni ang sa side view. Come here. Go get your duck. Your duck. Hurry up. Naglakaw pa ko anak. So medyo dako-dako gini siya. Hangak gini tuyok-tuyok. Pero sige na lang. Okay. Ga-request mo na itong mga Jumega. Come here. Oh yeah, there's an airplane. Ako anak ng airplane. There. Yeah. Come here. Come. Yeah, I know. Hurry up, kaya magtanaw pa sila na. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Ay, hangak na ko guys. Lagi ko tigawas dito. Okay. O sa init, kailangan udto na rin. So, this is also at the back. Mo na yung sa likod. Come here. I know. So, mo na yung sa likod. Kita mo na guys, kana gani nga helicopter or sana diha. Ang tag-iyaan na guys no, kay katong dako kay nga balay kaning kanang gray kana. Diya nang ilan diha sa iyang balay. Ing ana na siya kakwartaan. Una siya lingaw pero na siya magpatuyok-tuyok sa iyang eroplano diri. Siya mani sa likod nami lamisa diri, good for 5 people I think. So yeah, 5 people. Love, pagdali na, please. And then, mausad niya sa other side. Muna mong neighbor. Buutan kina sila dira. Tapos kina. Si hi sa amo. They're very buutan. And actually around 6 or 7, nanaunta ni mga deer diri. Pero ambot nga nang wala sila karon. Mas nindot ang tatog na ato. Kaya para makita mo. Pero yeah, muna sa other side. Let's go! Let's go. Anak, tara na. So, mo niya sa other side. Medyo dako siya nga balay. Well, di gid mo kakita diri gagmay nga balay. Puro gid sila dagko. Like this. And everyone else. Mo ni ang sunset diri sa Iowa. Sa Pella, Iowa. Ano guys, sa kanindot. Diba? Kita na mga geese. Nang lupad na. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah, mauni balik ta sa atong front. We have 3 car garage. 3-car garage is 1, and then 2. Duha na ka-car dira, and then 1 diri. Pero wala pa may nagpalit og daghang car. Kaya di pa ko kahibaw mo drive, di ba? So we only have 1 car for now. And then let's go to the entrance. Mo ni among entrance, guys. Come here. Hurry up. So mo ni among entrance, guys. Sunod kami sa entrance. Ngayon kaya akong anak, guys. As always. Okay, mama help you, be. Mama hold you. Mo ni among entrance door. We have flower for the Halloween. And then mag-decorate pa bidri og Halloween something. And welcome to our inside house. Mo ni among sa inside house namo. Before we go to the living room and the kitchen, I would want you guys to bring in Christian's room. Relax ako, guys. Yeah. Here is Christian's room. Mao ni ang room ni Christian. Dako siya, of course. Okay. Mao ni ang bed, mao ni ang mga toys diri. Mana yang closet and another cabinet closet. And mao ni iyang view diri, guys. Wait. I will open his window. Mao ni iyang view. Ito mo ang view ni Christian dira. Yep. And here he is. Start playing his toys. Of course. So yeah. One yung closet. I hope kan dili ni kalat. Yeah. Yung closet, mga jackets and long sleeve. And he has his slippers, diapers, and everything there. So, money ang bed ni Christian. And then his bathroom is this one. This one here. Muna yung bathroom ni Christian. He has bathtub. Kaganahan siya magligo-ligo sa bathtub. And yeah. Bathroom ni Christian. For now, that we have 1 kid. And then this is the second room here. In front of Christian's room. So this is the second room. Maoni ang second room. We did not put anything yet, like bed or anything. Kay nagplan mi nga maybe this is Christian's room also, or if na mi next baby there is a iyang room. And then we have so many paintings there. Wala pa mi kabalo ug asa pa naman ibutang. And then there's another closet. Of course it's empty. Oy. Oh, anong gahi man? Another ay. Yeah, okay, another closet. And then this is the view of this room. Makita ang fountain. Wait lang, makita ang fountain and then the neighbors. Yeah, nindot ka ng neighborhood there, guys. No, love, come here. Let's go out. Oh, yeah. And then, moni ang stairs padung sa downstairs sa basement namo. And then, moni ang among mudroom. Kanang abot na mo gi-consider na may uta mo mga shoes. And then panghanger di ang mga important needs nga before mo lakaw, like cups and kini mga para na i-design na mo sa Halloween. And the shoes are there. And then this is our garage here. Oh, love, no, please no. Agoy, ginoo ko akong anak nagpagara og maayo. Mo ni among garage. One among garage. And mama now needs to get that one. So yeah, 3-car garage. Mo ni siya. Ang kana kay more na siya para sa grass. Anything, mga important things diha. Ang brand siya gihang storage. So yeah. After the garage, pas-pas na bakal ko. Samo kay kong anak god. Maoni amo living room area. This is one of my favorite part of the house. Of course, the kitchen is my favorite one. This is my dream kitchen. And sorry for the mess because we were cooking bread. Then ako yung mga hugasan dira. And yeah, this is my favorite part because while galuto ko, si Christian and the daddy is there, you know. They're having fun time there while I'm watching them, having a good time, and I'm cooking. This is my favorite spot in the house, the kitchen and the living room. So, mauni ang among kitchen, guys. Dako na siya. Makaluto diri ang 5 katao, di maguot. But yeah, this is our table. Actually, guys, kanin siya nga chair, kaya diha ginabod. Butang na mo kay ang corner the sharp kaayo, masig si Christian pan. And mauni ang, you know, view sa outside dito at the back of the house. Yeah. And this is my flowers from when I arrived. And then this one is my wedding flower, the wedding bouquet. And then that one, Uncle Martin gave that to me. And this is our island counter. Mag-breakfast. And guys, pakita mo sa among pantry. Charot. May sari-sari store. There. Muna among pantry. It's puno pa na. And then I have pancit canton, magic sarap, buwad nang naadira guys, gikan sa Philippines. Of course, Filipino ta. Murag mingaon jud ta sa buwad permi. So yeah, that's our pantry. That one. And of course, the rice. Can't live without the rice. So yeah, close that. And then this is our living room. This is our couch. The sofa bed. It could make, mahimo na siya kuan. Bed. Like kani and kato. Ibutang siya together. Mahimo na siya bed. And then sometimes we have our family time here. And then this is the TV, and that's the fireplace. Kung ipakita, on ako. Yeah, it's like that. Actually, that will change colors. Manamong fireplace, dira. And then we have the modifier infuser. I don't know what you call that. And yeah, turn off. This is our living room. Christian is enjoying with Mickey Mouse. And then next, ay, napaday ni diri na nakalimtan. Diri ang among mga winter jackets, butang. This one here. It's kind of closet gyapon siya. And then next is the master's bedroom. Mao niya mong master's bedroom diri. Sharo sa kadindot ani nga room di may makabuhat og unom ka anak. Yeah. Kabalo mo guys, kani nga bed. That is my dream bed before katong like long time ago pag yun nga nag-start ang relationship ni Cam. Sige siya ask like what is my dream bed? And ganahan kog ingon ani kay kanang impress sa mga princess nga butangan siya curtain dira kanang ana, designan. It's like a princess bed. And yeah, iyahan kita pa dako ang dream bed. And this is my area here. This is my area. And then we have massage chair in our master's bedroom. Christian's playing this one. These things are the gifts from our wedding. And we don't know it will saon pa na muna siya. And then, yeah. Muni ang master's bedroom, guys. And then, one thing is nganong ganahan ko ani nga bed. Kay guys, hindi kaya siya kay makontrol ni mo ni siya. Di ko na i-up kay nag-arrange siya. Pero makontrol ni siya. Like kung ganahan ka nga i-up ni mo na siya dira, ma-up na siya. And mga anti-snore or something. Muni ang remote sa bed. Like if ganahan ka i-left up na diha, ma-left up na siya, guys. So siya rin man lang og dili ng kabuhat og unom ka anak-anak. Charot. And this is his area. And kana siya guys, dili na labhunonhan, dilabhan na piluuno na lang jud. And then guys, this is our master's bathroom. Hello. That is our master's bathroom. We have 2 sinks here. This is his and that is mine. And yeah, hello. So you have the light. It's very mindful, very nice, very cutesy, and very demure. And here is our toilet. The toilet is in that area. And then this is our shower room. We don't have bathtub here because we don't need that. So shower room, and that's his, and that's mine, you know. And then, guys, this is our walk-in closet. This is my walk-in closet. I told him that I like to have walk-in closet, and he did that. Look at that. This is my area here. This one, these things are mine. So this one is full of my clothes also, and some of the clothes is in the kuan pa. Kasi tawag aning suitcase ba, because wala ko kabalo sa panahon ko na pag-arrange. And then, sorry, ang iyaha, grabe kakalat, guys. Money, ang daddy's. Actually, ang iyaha kay gamay-gamay, ramasda ko akong walk-in closet kesa sa iya. But yeah, this is his area. Very kalat. Very dinamag. Charot. Ako pa na i-arrange niya, guys. And here is my son again. So yeah, daghan kong jacket. It's because it's almost winter here and I need those things. Okay, grabe katugnaw diri, guys. Buntag sayo, sus. Para nila, okay kayo. Pero para na ko, gakurog-kurog na kong kaunuran. So yeah. And this is the most one. I mean, this all the area here in the upstairs. Nagpataka na ko gayo, guys. So mao ni ang mga area nga naa sa upstairs, ang master's bedroom, Christian's room, and another room for future kids. And then our living room and the kitchen, and then we're going downstairs. Downstairs is also nice. Let's go, love. Love, let's go. Mama gonna go downstairs. You wanna go? Come with mama. So guys, maadto ta sa downstairs. Slowly lang mi, kaya akong anak, nag-apil-apil, and I can't left him alone here upstairs, basi mag-unsa-unsa niya. Don't worry, guys, our upstairs is not creepy. Agoy. I mean, our downstairs, di ay. Agoy. Kabug at rabig sa akong anak. Uy. So, mao ni ang downstairs area. Another living room here. If we want family time, that once ganahan mi nga na-address sa ubos, mao ni siya. Actually, these couches, nani siya, hindi kayo mura, massage chair, ginakan na. And then kani, hindi na siya massage chair, and then kani is massage chair also. And we also have TV here. I think this is like 65, 75 inches, I forgot. And then, this is our table area, like a bar area here. Like, if ganahan mi mag-play of cards, you know, table games. Diri na may kuan niya. Ang diri, magpalit kami og fridge, another fridge. Kaya if ever, mandag ko na amo ang anak, na sila friends wants to hang out here, or our family will have you know, get together. We can have get together here. Or also upstairs. And here and downstairs, we have 3 rooms. 3. I mean, 2.5. I don't know what you call that. This is the first room here. This one. Gihimo lang sa namo siya og something office room. Okay. Siyempre, wala pa man mi dagang anak. And then this is another closet here. It's empty. And yeah, mo na mga gamit nagkatag pa. And the views, still you can see the neighbor and the pond. And the next room, you know, bathroom. The bathroom here downstairs is this one. It's bigger than Christian's bathroom. And it's also a shower. And a toilet, of course. And then closet here in this area. Our storage storage things for towels, tissues, and anything else that you want to put there. Diba, love? Yeah. So yeah, mo ni ang bathroom here downstairs. Ay, gihangak naman ko guys. Let's go, love. And then, next room is this one, our guest room. If mom will come here, like when, or anyone else nga mo visit there and you want, you know, sleep over, this is our guest room. This is the bed for the guest. This is like twin bed. No, it's double bed. And you have, you know, cabinets there, and then another closet. It's empty. Of course, that's empty. It has extra pillows and, you know, blankets. And yeah, what's the view in here? I think it's an house. Of course, it's the neighbors. Yeah, still the neighbors. Sa dalan siya nga makita nga area. So yeah, mo na mong guest room. And of course, maybe we'll put more things here like flowers and some other things. Yeah. For now, wala pa man visitor. So, maunang. Not lang sa. Let's go, love. So yeah, mauni ang downstairs area. Yun namang basement area here. I forgot to close the light, guys. And this is the third room here, which is the storage room. Wala pa rin siya nahuman, pero amo na siyang ipahuman kay himuon man yata ni siya og library, pero I'm not sure. Himuon ni siya library. Mao ni siya. No, love, come here, love. And then this is our washing area. You know, this is the washing machine, and then this is the dryer. And no need na maghalay-halay diri yung mga sinina, guys. Kaya na sila automatic dryer. Sana all. And this is our storage room. We have so many books here. Kay nagplan man mi nga maghimuog pandiri, library. And more books and books, and etc. And this is geothermal. Like, mao ni siya ang nag-control sa katugnawon or initon sa among balay. You know. And that's it, guys. I think that's okay, I'll show you here. Storage room. Okay, mga kwadra. So, yeah, and this room's, I think this is the biggest room that we ever had. Kung amo lang gini siyang gipahuman. Pero actually, humanon na namo ni siya kay mahimo man ning library here. And yeah. Mo ni siya, guys. Very nice. Gihapon siya igmahuman diri. Let's go, love. Let's go. Di pa furnish din na mo ni ang basement kay para dili siya scary, guys. Let's go. Careful. So yeah, mo na ni siya, guys. I don't know if I'm doing well to my vlog, pero yeah, mo na ni tanan. Let's go. Himuan na mo siya ingon ani kay napoy sa taas kay ay Ginoo ko, delikado taw ni sa among baby boy. Let's go, love. So guys, mao na to tanan ang amo ang house tour. I don't know if I'm taking good video, pero lisod kayo mag-video nga na si Christian sige sunod, and I have to watch my son while he's following me kay basi mamumo niya. And yeah, guys, mga among balay. And to Zosie, who is really requesting this, and Mickey, and my baby girls, Diane, Jasmine, Christine, Annalie, and yeah, Mami Mickey. Mga ni among house today. Mga yung request, guys, with Abigail and Baby Ellie. So yeah, guys. Nahuman ako sa house tour. Maybe one day I will redo it again. Kana yung like complete na yun siya. Like especially sa basement nga magpalit kami of fridge and everything else. And yeah, while our dada is working, we can still hear him because we have the radio. He is working in a police department. And yeah, basin dagan na sag mag-wonder ngano nabi na kog balay sa trabaho sa akong bana. Ngano na siya dagang kwarta nga nakapahiman nig balay, di ba? Ano na sa din itong mga suyaon dira nga Charot, joke lang. I don't want to mention that anymore. I'm happy with my life right now. And for those people nga who always have, you know, like insecurities or masuya sa akong life. Ay, magkasuya guys. Uy, i-focus na lang na buhat na sa inyong life kay para, you know, nindot atong life together. Kay dili na no for the hate, no for the bash. Because we are all human. We have different opinions and different, you know, perspective of life. So yeah guys, thank you. Bye-bye. Your girl Hilason nga nakaabot sa America is off now. Charot. Bye-bye guys. Love you. Mwah.